Hi guys, welcome back to Coupon Juice. Today in this video, I'm going to make a video on POCO X4 Pro 5G. This one overall 1x4 R. It comes with a 120 Super Amelod Display and 67 watts Sonic charging and 64 megapixel triple ray camera setup. It costs you around like 18,019. It means 19,000 rupees for you. You can available in Flipkart or Amazon. It comes with a complete deep review. Like it redefine your entertainment is like it comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, and POCO X series now has AMOLED display and supports DCI P3 expandable color range, productivity rich dullness, and it comes with a four like a 45 lakhs is to one contrast ratio and 1200 nits peak brightness and full HD plus 2400 into 1080 pixel. And here's the backside view of this camera, and it comes with the extra smooth courtesy 120Hz refresh ratio. Whether browsing the web or playing games, the high speed 120Hz refresh rate allow you to enjoy unpredicted experience. You can get a good experience, and enjoy seamless feedback with a 360 touch sampling rate. Like when you touch this mobile, like you have a great experience by using this mobile. The ultra fast touch sampling rate is equal to 360 Hz, like a greatly reduced in touch latency. And coming to the max visual comfort with the adaptive brightness. Adaptive brightness is it will adjust according to the lighting due to like a reading 3.0 mode to control like a to protect you from blue light, like a sunlight display. You can visible when you're in sunlight, like a SGA 8K certification also available. And now supporting the is like a preparing yourself for itself flex your 5G speed, like high performance snapdragon 5G processor boost superior energy efficiency and deliver maximum download speed of 2.5 gigabits. And the 5G band user across the world and support both the NSA and say network. Enjoy 5G from anywhere in the world. Enter the era of the high speed internet. And coming to the main heart of the mobile, it was fitted with a powerful Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. Like a 695 is old chipset, but this 695 is the most powerful and successful chipset ever. Now they upgraded this chipset, and they launched this in 695 5G chipset. The industry leading the 6nm production processor plus on the latest Cortex A78 powerful CPU core after flagship user experience. Don't underestimate the power of this CPU. It comes with a LDDR4X up to 8 GB RAM, UFS 2.2 up to 128 GB ROM, and A70 premium performance core. And this is a so like we have a keep your device cool throughout while liquid cooling technology. Most of the like a POCO mobiles have same liquid cooling technology. With this cooling technology, when you play games, automatically it will control temperature coming from the processor or in GPU. Now this is good for gaming too. One more most advanced one more unique thing is it can charge like a 0 to 100 at blazing fast speed with the 67 watt sonic charging. The sonic charge is capable of tremendous powerful with advance of MMD technology. The 5000 mAh battery can charge to 100% in just 45 minutes. And one more experience like 8 minutes in 30% charge, like a 22 minutes in 70% charge, and 31 minutes you can charge 99% of your mobile. Extraordinary, it has 5000 mAh weekend battery for all your needs. It comes with 8.12 and thin and like a 2050 light body is equipped with a massive 5000 micron battery, extraordinary power at your fingertips. Like it comes like a excluding character style from every unique style. It comes with a unique box style, looks three amazing colors: laser black, laser blue, and OG Poco yellow. What is and now we are going to camera. It has a triple cameras, like one is 64 megapixel triple main, like it brings the feature to camera and top notch experience, like in amplification sound experience also there. Now it comes all like ultimate feedback experience, Z axis linear motion. Now we coming to a more like even more powerful, like we have side mounted fingerprint, 3.5 mm jack, a ear headphone jack and radio. These are the most advanced features of this mobile, like a Poco. Like this Poco comes with the ultimate, like we have best features on this mobile. You can easily use this mobile, is look good feel good, and this mobile is loaded with advanced technology. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more interesting way like this. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay tuned for more videos.